Hello everyone, just inside Dollar Tree here, and I always mention this whenever I find the diamond nail file, and I truly think that this is one of the best nail files if you do faux nails. Now they do have some other ones here that are obviously not as coarse. The kits I think are great as stocking stuffers. They have some gel toe separators as well that I found at another Dollar Tree, and they have lots of nails. This here is a new find. It is similar to what we used to see, but it wasn't made by this company. So day in, day out is really nice. I love the look of these brushes because of the little accent pieces here. And they're good if you need to dust like glitter or something even in your craft room. They don't need to be used for just makeup, right? Lots of e.l.f. product. So we have some new stuff here. The brushes, of course, which we normally see. Do you normally find e.l.f. products at your Dollar Tree? And the Ioni eyelashes are usually on like a little display end cap or in a box display. They have something new here. Crystal lip gloss. They also have this new cuticle oil. Lots of different mascaras and eyeliners. Some highlighter sticks, I guess. Trying to go slowly through here so you can see everything. These are all new to me. They're in a box end cap and they're all Ioni. And here's a shea butter lipstick. Has anyone tried these? This one's glitter as well, sparkles I should say. Such a great variety here. It's hard to see through the packaging, but I think you can kind of get the idea. I think I called this line of or brand Suave last time, but it is just Suave, right? I don't know. And there's Faith in Nature, and somebody was saying that these are a lot more expensive. I think Walmart carries them. I'm not sure, I'm not familiar, but they're just body wash. I've never seen the brand before. And this Dollar Tree actually has a few of these heatless curling headbands. Do you need to buy two, or does it come with two already in there? Because it says a set. This looks good. Good brand. These are my favorite brand, but they're not feeling like they used to. I always look at stuff like this for the hair and think of embellishments or how can I deconstruct them and use them in my paper crafts. Little bows like this, you can use them in, say you make a little ornament and you need to top it off with a bow. They're already made for you. So Dollar Tree currently has, most of the Dollar Trees I've been to have this refill bottle for scrubbing bubbles. You just, if you have another bottle with one of the triggers, that's perfect too. These are new. They're basket labels, so I think you just clip it on the back side and it has little papers already inserted, so you can just change the labels and they just clip on here. So it would kind of look like this. I wonder if they're sturdy. Beautiful gift bags here that I have not seen at any other Dollar Tree, so I'm pretty sure that these are newer. It's interesting that either I just miss them or new ones keep appearing, but there's the red truck. I know some of you are always looking for the red truck, so oh, and here's another one. There's some more bags here, gift tags, and the metal gift card holders. Any other thing you're using the metal gift card holders for? One snowman mug left on the shelf here. This is my favorite. Out of all three, gnome, Santa, and snowman, which one is your favorite? These are such pretty boxes. I found one with a gingerbread and I immediately purchased it. And it looks like it was a hide item because they don't have any left here. This box is really pretty too. I have a 3-pack here just in case, but it's a variety pack of different sizes. Lots of towels still for Christmas here. I'm actually surprised because it's probably because it's kind of hidden here, but a lot of goodies still available. I think these are out for the Valentine's Day collection because they have little hearts and stuff. Yeah, super cute. Oh. There's some more Ione things. So they have the blending brush, makeup sponge, and they even have, oh, these are the beep here. Can't get in there because there's a box here, so. I wanted to share with you, they have these really pretty candles. Has anyone lit them? Do they have a nice throw? They are so nice. They look nice. I just don't know what the quality is like. These are new as well. They actually have a nice smell. Again, I don't know what the throw is like on them. They have some smaller candle holders here, but they also have large ones sometimes. So just look along the top and you'll find nice thick ones. This is cute. It's like golf themed, maybe Father's Day stuff, but yeah. There's this really pretty candle holder as well. Dollar Tree has been really well stocked with their wreath forms, but this wreath form is really large. So you can see it in behind is the small one. This one's the 18-inch one. So if you can find it and you need the large one, this is a really good value. Wow, this star must have been here the whole time and I've just missed it. Or is it new? I don't know. Have you found stars at your local Dollar Trees? I use potpourri. I use a natural one to make a really nice wreath. I've shared that on the channel before and it turned out I used the foam, this foam ring here. I'm surprised that this bottle, little twinkle light bottle top is not gone yet for Christmas. This is really good value here at Dollar Tree. Such a beautiful end display here with all of their tissue and bags. I love it. I'm still on the hunt for some really pretty birthday ribbon. This looks like it's from the fall collection, but it's quite pretty. You could almost use it for Christmas too. I'm in the checkout area and these just stood out to me. Great stocking stuffers, blending brushes. I don't know how practical they would be, some shapes here, but they look like fun. And they come in a beautiful ornament ball. Little squishies too. I know that's always popular with the kiddos. I'm not sure what this is. Just some fidget stuff, right? And some cute pens or tops. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I thought I would share with you how I've incorporated some little Dollar Tree finds throughout my house and Christmas decor. The little reindeer and snowflakes and some of the beautiful larger snowflakes that are flocked. I've put in my flocked Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed walking through with me, and until next time everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
All of our neighbors twinkling lights, all of our youthful eyes so bright. We'd never seen the sky so white, and I just want that winter feeling. Very merry, happy holiday. Close your eyes, I wish it never goes away. All of our loved ones, and no one without one. Very merry, happy holiday to you. Do-do-do, da-da-da-da. And cinnamon heaven fills the air. I want the biggest cup to share. Somebody's playing Nat King Cole.